So one of my patients' wives just came in and she was hugging me and so thankful for the work that we've done. I know that sounds kind of weird, but what we have been working on with her husband is helping for him to sleep better and to avoid snoring. He had had neck problems as well as lower back pain, but as a result of the work that we did in restoring his curve, we helped to figure out the cause of the problem that was going on, causing the snoring, and she loves us forever. My name's Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I've been working with people to help them remove the blockages from their health to live amazing, fantastic lives for the last 20 years. If you like to learn how to live an amazing, fantastic life, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Now, one of the tools we used on this case is a really unique and different special pillow. It's called a Denneroll, and this is one of the tools we use to help introduce that patient to sleeping amazingly. Now, this isn't something that we just give out. We've got to make sure that this is right for the individual and do some special advanced tests to make sure that we're matching the right pillow to the individual. This pillow has got a firm insert right here that matches one that was designed and utilized in 7 different controlled trials to help improve surgical function. If you or someone you know is having a tough night sleeping and or significant other is snoring, let's make sure they get their spine checked to make sure that they're working their best. Go ahead and write down below. I'll do my best to help you find someone in your area and or figure out how we get you the support that you wind up needing or them so that they can sleep a great night. And also, let's give a little shout out to my little baby dog, Logan.